Boy, I'm anxious to get you started using the Pinpoint and really changing your putting. It's incredible what it does, because think about it. The first rule of putting is I have to be able to aim it. Best stroke in the world, aim at the wrong thing, it doesn't make any difference, right? So here's how I want you to get started with this. Set down 3 of the Pinpoint targets, obviously. Get the laser set up. Step up at about 5 or 6 feet. Don't start at 20, just 5 or 6 feet. And I want to find a fairly flat part of the green. Uphill and downhill, side hill, let's try to just go flat. You can find one, I'm sure you can. And then step into that shorter putt, that 5 or 6 footer, and work your way around the targets. You're not going to hit putts, you're not trying to make a putt. Aim it at the target, pull the trigger, see where you end up. Do that 3 or 4 rotations from there until you feel comfortable that you're in the center of the target. It may not be comfortable for you, and then when you do, step back to maybe twice that distance, maybe 8 or 10 feet. Do it again. Keep doing this at home, at the office, on the putting green. Do that. It's going to make you much better.